So in this video, I am going to show you how to buy Hyperliquid, ticker symbol HYPE in Canada using Wealthsimple Trade. So once Wealthsimple Trade is opened up under accounts, select on crypto and then select on trade. Now once you're here on the trade screen, go to the top search bar and type in ticker symbol HYPE. And you want to find the one that shows the logo here, Hyperliquid and cryptocurrencies. Simply go ahead and select the top one here. Once you're on this page, go to the bottom and press buy. Now you can type in the amount of Hyperliquid that you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do $4 worth, I would type in 4. It'll then show you how much you'd be purchasing. And then to go to the next step, press on review. Once you're on this page, you can review the order, and if all looks good to you and you want to proceed, simply go to the bottom, press submit order to proceed with the transaction that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can buy Hyperliquid, ticker symbol HYPE in Canada using Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.